In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable background syncing on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up to the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select where it says Privacy and Security. And then underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Expand additional permissions and then select Background Sync. Select Don't Allow closed sites to finish sending or receiving data, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.